Okay, now that we've learned a little bit about theoretical and experimental, I have a deck of cards. A deck of cards has 52 cards in that set, plus 2 jokers. So if we got rid of the 2 jokers, there should be 52. What is also known as a suit. So here I have the spades, and the other black cards are known as the clubs. So I have 13 spades, okay? And you'll find that they're all the same. And I have 2 suits of red cards, one which is the diamonds, one set that is the hearts. So I have 13 hearts, 13 diamonds, so 2 sets of reds. 13 plus 13 is 26. I have 2 sets or 2 suits of black hearts. I have the spades and the clubs. The chance, if I mix them all up, the chances of Mr. Blair pulling out a 3 of diamonds is 1 chance out of 52. The chances of Mr. Blair pulling out, if I mix them all up, pulling out any diamond is 1 chance out of 4, because there are 4 different suits. Now, this part here shows you what each suit has. We have an ace, which can be considered low, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Instead of a 10, we have the jack. We have a queen and a king. So you can see each suit has 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now this activity you can do at home. This helps you predict which one you think would be higher or lower. So at the moment, I have 13 diamond cards here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to shuffle them all up. Now, Mr. Blair is not a very good shuffler, so they're in no particular order. I might put some down here and some over there. You can shuffle these any way you like if you have them at home. What I'm going to do is 13 cards. Using the information I know from here, I'm going to predict if it's higher or lower the next card. So if I turn over the top card, it's a 2. It's a 2. So my prediction, the only one that will be lower than that is an ace, which is lower than that. So if there are 12 cards left, if I predict it's higher, I have 11 out of 13 chance that I'll be right. If I'm thinking it's going to be lower, 1 chance it's only going to be 1 chance left. Okay? So at the moment, it should be 11 out of 12. I have 1 chance out of 12 because I've already got one out. That's my 13th card out now. So I'm going to predict it's lower. See if you can see it there. Sorry, that's a lie. I'm going to predict it's higher because I've got a greater chance. It's over 90%, surely. It's a king. Okay, so that means my 2 is gone and my king is gone. I predict the next one is going to be lower. It has to be lower. It's certain. It's 100% it will be lower because there's nothing higher than a king. So I'm certain, 100%. It's a queen. See, queen gone. What would you predict now, higher or lower? Yeah, you'd have to go lower because there's nothing. The king's gone, the queen's gone. The next one is a... Oh, it's a 4. Oh, it's a 4. But again, I've only got a 3 and an ace. That's lower than that. 2. And I've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chances of being higher. So a smart person would go higher. I agree. So I'm going higher. It's a 3. I failed. 3. So even though there's a greater chance of being higher, when you do the experiment, sometimes it doesn't always turn out the way it should be. So that's like an activity you can see if you can get through the whole set. Mix it all up, predict higher or lower. Give that a go.